Well, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm glad that you decided to join us. Wanted to do a quick recap since the last video to kind of get everybody up to speed. As you may recall, the big headache from the last video was trying to get the spindles separated from the axle. The kingpins were causing a lot of grief and headache. After a lot of heat and encouragement with a sledgehammer, finally managed to get those things broken free before Christmas. That was just a royal pain in the keister. I don't want to have to do that again anytime soon. The other time-consuming part of this project involved cleaning up the parts. When I get into a project like this, I don't like putting stuff back on in its rusty, dirty, grimy state. It just feels incomplete. So I went through the process of blasting all the rust or grinding off or doing whatever I needed to do, get that back down to bare metal again. Once the parts were in clean enough shape, then it was a simple matter of just priming and painting, and then I had something that looked like I'd actually spent time trying to restore it. So with that work complete, and without any further ado, let's go take a look at what we have to do next. Okay, so what you see here is a byproduct of what was originally supposed to be just a brake job and ended up becoming something considerably more. Most of the parts you see here are original. There were a few parts, obviously brake shoes, springs, bearings and races, and shackle bolts that are being replaced because they've worn out. But everything else that you see here is pretty much original. Everything from spindles, which were actually taken from the 53, all the way down to the leaf spring packs. So the next little piece of fun is to take all of this stuff and get it put onto the truck. With that phase of the work finally complete, all I have left to do is to adjust the toe angle on the new tie rod. After that, then we can move on to the next phase of the project. Now, sharp viewers out there who are watching carefully may have noticed that I didn't put all the parts that I had sitting on the blanket onto the truck. There's a reason for that, and that'll become a little bit more apparent when we get into the next video. But until then, if you like this project and are interested in seeing more, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to bringing you the next video, hopefully sooner this time. Thank you very much. See you next time.